What is going on, guys? It's your boy Tim Aslan Crypto here with Counter Trend Capital, bringing you a brand new Bitcoin update. Yes, guys, finally a Bitcoin update. I'm so sorry. I know it's been a while. The group has just been very busy, and Bitcoin has been moving crazily. So I didn't think there was the biggest need for an update. We were pretty much up only, which was great. And now we have some consolidation. So I figured might as well update everybody while there's consolidation and get ready for the next move. Cool. So Bitcoin today is already on the move, up 3%, and I do expect it to continue. Now, what we're looking at is we are actually looking at the main scenario of breaking these highs right here and headed towards the monthly naked point of, or excuse me, I think this is just a monthly level right here at 45,500. And then we actually have a bigger area of interest at 48,000. So in the short term, though, we do think these highs right here are going to be broken before these lows down here. And as you can see, we're in the middle of the range right now, probably at the 50% retracement of the range where Bitcoin is struggling right now. But I want to show you a potential short setup that would come in handy if we get a swing failure. And I'm going to show you what I mean right now. So right here at these wicks, there's tons of liquidity. There's also a daily level right here, as you can see. And I believe there's a weekly level right there. So there's a lot of confluence at this 100% area. And I believe also if we but if we look at our range right here, we have the range point of control all at this one fib right here at 43,800. So for me, what we can do if we are bearish, and there is a possibility of bearishness, and I'll show you why in a second. But if we are bearish, this would be a great place to short. So I would do something like this, and I'd throw my stop loss just above that high right there in case we hit the second target. But what I would want to see for this is I would want to see a swing failure pattern where the 1 hour or 4 hour turns into a big wick and we close below this point of control. If we do see that, then I would love to enter a short and ride it down. With that being said, the 4 hour cluster indicator, which is very accurate, is just getting started in its bullish trend. So you can see back down here when it was just getting started, we had this massive pump all the way up here. And then same thing down here. It was just getting started. We had a nice big 10% move up. And then we didn't reverse until the cluster indicator topped out at this 70 level right there. So because of that, this indicator is making me more bullish because it reads momentum. But with that being said, if we push up here in a slow fashion, then the momentum might move to the upside as we slow down, providing another confluence for the short. So we'll see on this. But this level right here is very, very strong. And I think if we do break it, we will go to 45.5, if not much higher. The reason that there is a bearishness potential right here is because we could count this downward move as 5 waves like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where then this section becomes an ABC. So I'll just show you that count right now so you can have it in your brain. So this would be a W, X here, Y, and then I would expect something like that, and then to the downside. So we are in longs from down here and down here, currently holding them, but I would not mind to hedge that position if we can get a swing failure pattern right at these point of control and other strong levels there. So that's pretty much it for the update. And if we do break this high, Obviously, we're going to look for a short at this monthly level, but nothing like that I'm super rushing into. I've been kind of chilling on this, just taking the trades, not trying to go against this pump too much, because Bitcoin has been really choppy. I mean, like, it does triple waves and then breaks the high, and like it doesn't really respect the waves right now. And whenever we see that, usually that's when big moves are coming that they want to make sure not a lot of people are able to catch. So if you're in longs from down here, definitely hold those. Maybe hedge your position with a short if we can get a nice swing failure pattern. But overall, I think we are more in general bullish. With that being said, I think alts will do very well during this time, especially if it's a nice slow grind up. A lot of alts are going to pop. A few I'm watching are ADA, BNB, and even Pepe looks good right now. But in case you guys didn't see our last video, we just started doing copy trading on BingX, and you don't even have to be in our group to actually do that. I'll leave the link below, but basically our 8-figure trader is going to take trades on his new account that he opened on BingX. Essentially, we're doing a 500 to 10K challenge where we started with $500 and we're going to try to hit a big return to $10,000. And if he's using $500 and you put in, let's say, $2,000 and he uses 1% margin, your $2,000 will also be used at 1% margin. So you don't have to have the same amount of money as him. It's all based on the ratio. Makes it really nice and easy. And I expect us to do very well on that account. So check it in the link below. If you guys have any questions, please, the comment section will be open. I'm happy to answer anything. And make sure you guys check out our Discord. Anyways, this has been Tim Aslan, and I'll see you guys in the next video.